In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Brawl Stars login failed error. First, completely close Brawl Stars and then reopen the game. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent you from logging in properly. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection and avoid switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data while logging in. If you're using a Supercell ID, double-check that you're entering the correct email address. Then open your email inbox and look for the login verification code. If you don't see it, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders. If the code still doesn't arrive, wait a few minutes and request a new one. Avoid requesting too many codes in a short period of time. Finally, restart your device and try logging in again. This can refresh network and authentication services that may be causing the issue. And that's how you can fix the Brawl Stars login failed error. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.